Hindi ko madalas ginagawa to, but this phone deserves a proper unboxing. So this is the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G at gusto ko i-share yung moment na to sa inyo because I've heard a lot of good reviews sa phone na to, even coming from my own creator friends. So please join me as we unbox this phone at tignan natin what exactly are we getting at bakit ito tinatawag na budget gaming phone pero parang flagship ang features at ang quality. So tinanggal ko na yung plastic. So let's open the box. Let's see what we are going to see inside. So before this unboxing, honestly, I've read a lot of good feedback. So I'm quite aware of some of the features. So for example, yung camera niya, 50 megapixel na Sony 50 Lite C, which I'm quite familiar with kasi ginagamit din yan ng ibang phone. And not to mention, natingnan mo naman, naka-Gorilla Glass na nga rin pala to. Corning Gorilla Glass 70i at waterproof na rin siya. So let's look at that. Grabe, ang ganda, no? I don't usually do phone unboxing, but this one definitely deserves to be seen kung ano itsura niya as we open it. So, teka, buksan natin. So, let's remove the plastic para mas makita natin yung back at pati po yung kanyang front glass. Tignan mo. Now, I get why sinasabi nila na parang flagship. First thing I noticed, naka-curved screen na nga pala siya. And this is actually 6.78 inches AMOLED screen, which usually nakikita lang talaga natin sa mga flagship phones. So, ayan, legit talaga na straight out of the box. So, everything's being set up from default factory settings. So, first impression ko dito kay Tecno Camon 40 Pro G is yung feel niya, it doesn't really feel like something na affordable or budget phone. It's something na I would normally find from my more expensive phones, but to think that this is only between 10 to 14,000 pesos, napakasulit. And you can actually see from the screen, tinan mo, ang ganda. So, while we are checking this, some of the favorite features that I have here would be number one, the camera, because napakalinaw. Sabi ko nga kanina, it uses the Sony 50 megapixel ultra night camera. So I'm so excited to test this, lalong-lalo na po pagdating sa gabi. And the other thing that's very impressive, naka-AMOLED ka na, curved screen, tapos 6.78 inches, and the fact that this has a fingerprint sensor on the screen, that definitely screams premium quality phones. I'm so excited to test the camera both daytime, pati sa nighttime, and I can't wait to share this with you and play games with this to test kung umiinit ba siya o hindi. But I've seen a lot of reviewers definitely gave this such a very good review. One thing I noticed is yung kanyang charging. 45 watts doesn't seem so fast, so that would take more than an hour. Kasi kung gumagamit ako ng mga 90 to 120 watts charger, which I use with my other phones, siguro aabutin lang yan ng 30 minutes to 45 minutes. But this one, siguro if there's one flaw, that would be the charging time of this phone. But other than that, I'm so excited to share this with you.